The power of love. In a city, there lived two friends, Ali and Zainab. They had known each other since childhood. With time, their friendship slowly turned into love, but neither of them ever expressed it. One day, Ali fell sick and didn't come to school for many days. Zainab became very worried. Every day she went to his house to check on him, brought him food, and sat with him to talk. Slowly, Ali realized that Zainab's presence made him feel peaceful and happy. When he fully recovered, he said to Zainab, "You made my difficult days so easy, maybe that's why my heart can't stay without you." Zainab smiled and replied, "Love is something you understand without words. I'm always with you too." From that day on, both of them openly accepted their love for each other. They learned that true love is not in words, but in care, actions, and understanding. People painted in the colors of love, hearts touching hearts as they gently move, affection in their words, light in their eyes, people who make love bloom under the skies. Sometimes they share smiles, sometimes they guard dreams. Even from afar, their loyalty gleams in the rush of life. One truth they prove: it's love that binds the world, carried by people who truly love. Love at first sight. Fatima used to walk through the park every day and always saw a young man, Rehan, reading a book. They never spoke, just exchanged smiles. One day, Rehan gathered courage and approached Fatima. "May I read this book with you?" Fatima smiled and replied, "Of course, if you want to." Read it from your heart. That day became the beginning of their daily meetings in the park. Soon, they realized that the language of the heart mattered more than words. Rehan gently said, "The most beautiful place in my heart is now yours." Fatima nodded and said, "And my world isn't complete without you." Thus, a simple smile turned into a lifelong love story. A love written by fate. Ayan was a quiet, thoughtful boy who believed that love was something meant only for stories. But everything changed the moment he saw Zoya standing by the lighthouse, her hair dancing with the wind, her eyes lost in the sunset. He felt something he had never felt before, a pull, like destiny calling his name. The next day, Zoya returned to the lighthouse. Ayan gathered all his courage and said softly, "I think the sunset looks beautiful because you're standing in front of it." He felt something he had never felt before, a pull, like destiny calling his name. The next day, Zoya returned to the lighthouse. Ayan gathered all his courage and said softly, "I think the sunset looks beautiful because you're standing in front of it." Zoya smiled a smile that made his heartbeat echo in his ears. They started meeting every evening, talking about dreams, fears, and the hidden corners of their hearts. One evening, a storm rolled in. Waves crashed against the rocks and lightning lit up the sky. Zoya was scared, and Ayan held her hand tightly. "As long as you're with me, nothing can hurt you," he whispered. In that moment, Zoya realized something. She had fallen for him long before she admitted it to herself. The storm settled, but their love only grew stronger. Ayan took out a small silver key and placed it in her hand. "This isn't just a key," he said. "It's my heart, and it will open only for you." Zoya's eyes filled with tears as she whispered, "Then my heart belongs to you, forever." And under the glowing lighthouse, with the sea whispering their names, their love story began. A love written by fate, kept by loyalty, and protected by the heart. Now I will ask you 3 questions, and you answer them. Number 1. Have you ever truly loved in your life? Answer in the comments. How was your behavior with your family, good or bad? Give your answer in the comments. Did you like my video? If you liked it, then please write good in the comments.